Welcome to Truck Access Plus. Here you have the Colorado and Research power steps. Easy access in and out of your truck. If you want to close your door and keep your steps down, put some pressure to it, locks into place. When you're done with it, open, close again, has that soft finish there. Here we have lights so you can have access in and out of your truck at nighttime. You know where you're stepping, you won't fall. You have your backflip MX4 here, great for storage. Nice finishing touch to your truck. Good, you still have access into your bed. If you want to drive with it open, all you have to do is use these little rods here, twist a little, set it down, both sides, and there, boom, you can drive with it open, safely. Twist it again, same steps, close. You can drive with it like this also. These clips here, you open them, clip it in, easily accessible still, and you have it safely connected. You have another product by Ant Research here. This is for your cargo. If you want to drive with it open, here you go. Best thing in the market, I would say.